So OpenAI ChatGPT, like Google, is an online tool, but unlike Google, which just searches data from the internet, ChatGPT also creates content for you. But what are the use cases which mean abandoning our favourite search engine? Well, in a nutshell, it lets absolute beginners produce analysis and reports, develop code and entire programs and apps, condense and summarise text you provide to it, create marketing materials, essay plans, and even movie scripts. To make this video, I had to risk sharing my mobile number with OpenAI.
It becomes self-aware at 2:14 AM Eastern Time.
But was it worth it? And has AI now gone a step too far for the safety of the human race? Well, with 8 real-world examples for students, knowledge workers, marketers and creatives, let's find out. Welcome to GI Chow. Hey there again. To make ChatGPT really sing and use the colossal amount of data it's been trained on, you need to know how to prompt it, or in other words, ask it the right questions. So let's dive straight in. Let's have it write an outline for a business report on the pros and cons of competing companies, technologies, or anything else. So for example, what are the pros and cons of AWS and Google Cloud?
2 hours later, 1 eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Or how about writing a short summary of your own notes for meeting minutes or your personal learning? Summarise this in a sentence.
No, God!
Pretty cool, huh? Let's write some content for our website or marketing materials. Write marketing copy on the benefits of using a good real estate agency. We can write, complete and correct scripts and code in Python, JavaScript, regex, regular expressions, SQL and several more computer languages. Write SQL to get the average salary of employees in each department. Write a regular expression to match a mobile phone number. Write a regular expression to match a mobile phone number like write a Python script to put a series of numbers in size order. Cool. Write an essay plan on any subject with compare and contrast on any number of key points. Compare and contrast the Vietnam War and World War II in 6 bullet points. Okie dokie. We can write or continue dialogue for actors to help you create a play or piece of fiction in the style of an author, actor or celebrity. Write a scene with President Biden meeting a famous actor with Biden forgetting who the actor is.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Okay, that's probably not going to win the Oscars. Here's a scene in a coffee shop in the style of a sitcom Friends. It can teach you about and research anything quicker and with less ads than Google or YouTube. So what is CPR? So it got there in the end. One thing I'd like to know is the ratio of chest compressions to breath. See if you can understand this. Okay, what about for children? Is that any different? Or you can get it to play an adventure game.
Oh my God!
Okay, let's try one.
Wow!
Okay, let's try 4 this time. Okay, I see this occasionally request timed out. Seems to be occurring when the server is pretty busy. Too many requests, please slow down. Okay, well I think you get the idea. Now GPT can appear incredibly smart but can also be pretty dumb. Just look at how it places these objects in size order.
Why you always lying?
You are experiencing a car accident.
So for now at least, it takes a human to sort the wheat from the chaff. It's easy to sign up, just visit the OpenAI website and enter your details. It needs an email address and a phone number. The link's in the description, and while you're down there, please do consider subscribing for more unsponsored high quality tech and wellbeing at the lowest price. Thanks. So was it worth it, and is AI going to be the end of us?
Monsters from the id. Huh? Monsters from the subconscious.
Well, it's trained on data from a year ago and doesn't have access to the internet, so it won't replace Google anytime soon. It's also not something you can blindly rely upon. It may not be free of charge forever, but it certainly can save you a lot of time. Oh, and remember that stupid mistake it made about size? Well, check this out. Crazy, hey? This is just the beginning, so what do you think? Exciting, scary, too much hype? It feels to me like a kind of Frankenstein's monster that shows how clever we are, but doesn't know what to do with itself yet. So if you discover more real-world use cases and prompts, please do leave a comment and help the community out. I've seen it even simulate being a computer terminal, creating files from scripts that you've simply described it, which is just nuts. Will it take our jobs or even more? Well, there's enough concern in the collective consciousness to make sure that never happens, right?
I think you know what the problem is just as well as I do.
What are you talking about, Hal?
As always, thanks for watching and to my subscribers, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'll be back.